Hi everyone, welcome back to KnowMed with Dr. Ali Zamir. Big headline, the FDA approved updated COVID vaccines, but with tighter restrictions. Who qualifies, who doesn't, and what it means. I'll explain in the next 3 minutes.
Here's the fast breakdown. On August 27, 2025, the FDA approved updated COVID vaccines from Pfizer BioNTech, Moderna, and Novavax targeting newer variants like LP, 8.1 and sublineages. The shots are variant updated, but approval comes with narrower recommendations on who should get them. Science, updated antigen match, policy, eligibility tightened. Full eligibility, people age 65 and older. Ages 5 to 64, only eligible if they have at least one high-risk condition, like asthma, obesity, diabetes, or immunosuppression. Children under 5, Pfizer is no longer authorized broadly. Moderna may be an option only for high-risk young children. Novavax is approved for ages 12 and up, again prioritized for high-risk individuals.
In short, older adults and high-risk individuals prioritized, healthy under 65 adults and most kids under 5 largely excluded.
One consequence, people outside eligibility may face out-of-pocket costs. Reports suggest costs of around $140 or more per dose in some settings. Medical groups, including pediatric advocates, worry that narrowing eligibility could reduce access and undermine public health protections. All this unfolds amid leadership and advisory changes at the CDC, raising questions about policy stability and public trust.
Policy shifts have real-world effects for access, costs, and vaccine confidence.
These developments are reported across major outlets. Stay alert for local implementation details. What hasn't changed? Vaccines are still formulated to target circulating variants, and FDA and CDC continue safety monitoring through systems like Verge and vSafe. Safety surveillance remains active. The focus is matching vaccines to current viral strains while tracking outcomes.
Bottom line, updated shots are a scientific tool. Eligibility changes are policy decisions layered on top.
Quick tips. Check if you qualify. Consult your healthcare provider, verify insurance coverage, and watch for updates.
If this helped, please subscribe to KnowMed with Dr. Ali Zamir and drop questions below. I'll follow up on the top comments.
For more, visit our vaccine updates playlist. Sources linked below.